Tourism is also a significant contributor to Bangkok's economy, generating 427.5 billion baht, $13.38 billion in revenue in 2010.
Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Audio2Face to MetaHuman. So last time I made a tutorial how to use the Unreal Engine and metahumancreator. So today I'm going to use the NVIDIA omniverse, the Audio2Face. So I think this the Audio2Face is much better to control the metahuman, the facial animation. So first of all, you have to download omniverse. You can go to the NVIDIA and omniverse, and then you can download. So once you download, you need to install the Audio2Face. So you can just go to the exchange, and then you can go to the application, and then in the application you can find out the Audio2Face. So in here, omniverse Audio2Face, I already installed. Go to library, and then you can see the Audio2Face. You need to check the version, so 2023 and 2.0. So after that, go to the launch, and then menu, click setting. So you can see I already installed the Audio2Face 2023.2.0. and then you can see the install the path here. Then you can just click the folder. So it's going to the AudioFace to 23.2.0, and then you can go to here, and then you can find out the UE plugin here, and then click, and then Audio2Face UE plugins. Then you can find out ACE Unreal plugin. This is Unreal 5.2. This one is Unreal 5.3. So I'm using the Unreal 5.3. So go there, and then you can see the ACE. Okay, so you can just copy, Ctrl C. Then you need to go to Unreal Engine. For example, I installed the Unreal Engine into my D drive, but you can go to find the Unreal Engine 5.3 and go to the engine, and then you just click the plugins. So engine, you can see the plugin, okay, and then Ctrl V. So you can copy the AC into the plugin Unreal Engine plugins. Then you can just back to the Unreal Engine, and then go to setting, and then plugin, and then go to installed. So you now see the NVIDIA omniverse, the AC Audio2Face. You have to turn on. Then also same time you have to restart. I just restart Unreal Engine. Also you have to make sure the metahuman is checked. Again restart. Go to omniverse, and then you have to launch Audio2Face. Open the Audio2Face. So my character is female, so I'm going to use the Clara serve the AR kit. Maybe if you have the male avatar, then you have to use the mark. Okay, so double click. Okay, so once you setting up all the plugin, then you can go to source. Then you can find out the NVIDIA omniverse live link, and then OK, hit OK. Then you can automatically showing the subject name here. Then after that you can click the metahuman, and then you can go to live link on the detail. Then you can select here to Audio2Face like this. So now it's connect, so you can go to the stream the live link here from Audio2Face. Then you can click the activate here, which means this the Audio2Face is connected to the metahuman. And then you can go to the Audio2Face here. So this one is the live, already linked together. So maybe the female. Okay, click.
只刷票进闸后，他仍不满足，踹坏大门，帮钟灵岔开鬼话题，追着热狗谆谆叮咛，让我凑合算了。
Yes, this is amazing. So you can record your voice here, or you can use the many template here, but you can change the many different female. Then you can test it.
这次奥运工程建设可以说是我们各项环保新技术应用的大全，候选尺寸也进行了缩短。春日起眉早，采桑惊啼鸟。风过扑鼻香，花开落，知多少。
Tourism is also a significant contributor to Bangkok's economy, generating 427.5 billion baht, $13.38 billion in revenue in 2010. Good morning, Professor Austin. How are you doing? Tourism is also a significant contributor to Bangkok's economy, generating 427.5 billion baht, $13.38 billion in revenue in 2010.
I had stayed up to write a few letters, but it was not a night for working. I had stayed up to write a few letters.
春日起眉早，采桑惊啼鸟。风过扑鼻香，花开落，知多少。只刷票进闸后，他仍不满足，踹坏大门，帮钟灵岔开鬼话题，追着热狗谆谆叮咛，让我凑合算了。
Let me recap. So first of all, you need to install the omniverse, okay? And then you can go to the exchange, and then you can go to application. Then you need to install the omniverse Audio2Face. So after that, if you go to library, after installed, you can go to the Audio2Face here, and then you can check the version. It's 23.2.0. Then you can click here and then go to setting, and then you can go to this folder. Okay, and then you can go to the UE plugin, and then Audio2Face UE plugin, and you go to your version Unreal Engine, and then you can copy the ACE the folder to your Unreal Engine the plugin folder, which is Unreal 5.3 engine plugins, and then you can copy here. You see here. Then after that, you need to go to Unreal Engine, and then you have to launch the Audio2Face. Okay, then go to Unreal Engine. Then you can go to the window. The first one, you need to go to the plugin. Then you need to check the Audio2Face. Here, NVIDIA omniverse the Audio2Face. Okay. Then after that, you can go to Window and Virtual Production, and then Live Link. Once Live Link here, then you can click the source. Then you can click the OK NVIDIA Omniverse Live Link. After that, you can see the Audio2Face is already on the subject name. If you correctly install everything. Okay, then you select the metahuman, then you go to detail option, and then you have to make sure the AR kit, the face subject, you need to click the audio to face and then use the audio kit the face. Then the omniverse, the face, so you can select template, which is the Clara, the Solve, the AR kit, but it depends on your metahuman model. So if you have the male model, you have to select a mark. Then after that, you can go to the Steam, the live link, and then you can select the activate, then which means it's connected the live link, your metahuman with the audio to face. Then you can go to the face to audio to face tool. Then you can select the the sample. Here already have the many preset already, so you can click. Then it can automatically showing all the option here, your face. But you can also control each one by one. Then if you click play, it's
胡俊
automatically
透露
connect.
里面碧仄昏黑，频频点刹车，红娟被甩出车外。胡俊透露里面碧仄昏黑，频频点刹车，红娟被甩出车外。春日起眉早，采桑惊啼鸟。风过扑鼻香，花开落知多少？春日起眉早，采桑惊啼鸟。风过扑鼻香，花开落知多少？
Tourism is also a significant contributor to Bangkok's economy, generating 427.5 billion baht, $13.38 billion in revenue in 2010. Good morning, Professor Austin. How are you doing?
春日起眉早，采桑惊啼鸟。风过扑鼻香，花开落知多少？春日起眉早，采桑惊啼鸟。风过扑鼻香，花开落知多少？这次奥运工程建设可以说是我们各项环保新技术应用的大全，后悬尺寸也进行了缩短。
Okay, so next time I will show you how to the live link the mobile device, so you can control your the metahuman with your mobile device. Thank you. See you next time.